Welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi spaghetti in your Ninja Foodi multi-cooker. This is going to be made with the pressure cooker function, and it can be done gluten-free or regular just based on your personal preference and needs. So the first thing you're going to need to get are your ingredients. You will need a pound of ground beef, half a cup of chopped onion, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pound of spaghetti noodles, either regular or gluten-free, 15-ounce can diced tomatoes, 2 15-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, and 3.5 cups of water divided. Now remember, with the gluten-free spaghetti noodles, I would suggest getting the name brand. They work the best in this recipe. You can also use 12 ounces if they only come in a 12-ounce package. That will work perfectly fine as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your Foodi ready on the saute function to brown the meat and cook the onion. So you'll go ahead and use that saute function and get the meat browning, and you'll want to cook the onion until it's nice and translucent. After that's done, we will add in 1 cup of water and the seasonings into the meat. So as you can see here, I am browning the meat, and I'm going to just finish that up. It's almost browned, and the onions are nice and translucent. So once that is nice and browned, I'm going to go ahead and add in the seasonings. The seasonings for this are going to be the salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and then 1 cup of water. Now you can stir this at this point. Now you're going to go ahead and add the spaghetti noodles on top, breaking them to fit. At this point, do not stir the noodles. Just place them right on top of the meat, kind of like a layer. So you're going to layer it right on top. I break the noodles in half and lay them on top to fit. So once we get all those noodles in, we're going to be ready to add the sauce. So now you see all my noodles are in, and now we're going to go ahead and add the tomatoes on top and the remaining 2.5 cups of water. Again, it's important, do not stir at this point. So go ahead and add in the crushed tomatoes, the diced tomatoes, and 2.5 cups of water, all right on top of the pasta. So you're going to see that I'm doing that here, and I've got the diced tomatoes going in. And now I'm going to secure the pressure cooker lid right on top of the Ninja Foodi. So I'm going to secure the lid and set the nozzle to seal. And then I'm going to cook this on high pressure for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you will want to quickly release the pressure, which means you turn that nozzle to vent and release all the pressure immediately. Do not wait on that, because if you do, then your noodles are going to turn real mushy and you're not going to like it. So make sure you quick release. Once that's done, remove the lid and just let it sit for about 5 minutes. That's a great time to get the vegetables ready, or a salad, whatever you prefer. But this is going to allow some of that additional liquid to soak in. So as you can see, this is after it's been quick released and it's set for a few minutes, and you have a nice, delicious pot of spaghetti. So this is very easy to adapt to your own personal preferences. You can top it with cheese or a little bit of parsley, or serve it with a side salad, whatever you prefer. This is a really easy go-to meal for a busy weeknight. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make this Ninja Foodi spaghetti. And remember, you can find this recipe as well as hundreds of other Ninja Foodi recipes all on my website, mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure that you like and subscribe to this video so that you do not miss the next recipe, which is going to be using the Ninja Foodi grill. So I'll be sharing that one next week. Thank you for tuning in today.